in 9th and 10th question. We have to see the aim of the our chapter and objective of today's class. So today we are discussing importance of the 3D objects in our daily life. So in that today we are discussing that part. So importance of the cylinder in our daily life. If you observe this syrup bar, which is in the shape of up to here cylinder to store the syrup. So it is a cylinder to manufacture. How much plastic is required? So how much quantity of syrup we can store in the bottle? So completely depending on formulas related to the cylinder. So this cap of this syrup bottle, which is also a cylinder. So open is this is a curved surface. So to store the medicines or syrups. So we have the importance for the cylinder. So today we are going to solve the problems which are related to the cylinder. Exercise 10.2 question number 9. So I want to write the given data. You can see the total surface area of the closed cylindrical petrol storage tank whose diameter is 4.2 meters and height is 4.5 meters. So given cylindrical petrol tank. This is the cylindrical petrol tank. So whose diameter is given. So diameter D equals to 4.2 meters. So radius equals to half of the diameter, that is 4.2 half 2.1 meters. I want to write the fraction 21 by 10 meters. This is the radius of the petrol tank. So next, height of the petrol tank is given. Height h equals to 4.5 meters. 4.5 meters. First, in the two problems are there. In that first problem, you have to find the total surface area of this closed cylinder. So this is our cylinder. For this, you have to find the total surface area. Nothing but area of the top, area of the curved surface, and area of the bottom. So we have to apply the formula TSA of a cylinder. So what we can write TSA of a cylinder? TSA equals to 2 pi r of r plus h, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So what is r 22 by 7? R is a 2.1 meters. Otherwise we can write 21 by 10 r plus h. R equals to 2.1 plus h equals to 4.5. So one I wrote in the fraction and other one in decimal form. This is simplification purpose because h is in the 4.5. Otherwise we can write 45 by 10 marks, no problem. So we can cancel 7 ones are 7 3s are 2 into 2, that is 44. 2 into 22, 44 into 3 into 2.1 plus 4.6, 2.1 plus 4.5, 6.6. This is 3 by 10. 44 into 3 into 66 by 10 by 10. So we can write 44 into 3 into 66 by 100 equals to, we have to multiply now. First I want to multiply 44 into 3, then I want to multiply with 66. So 44 into 3, 7 3s are okay. 2 into 44, 3, this is a 6.6, 100. So 12 132 into 66 by 100. So 132 into 66. This is 12, 81, 96, 7, 792. Again we can write 792, 1. So this is 10, 7. Again 1. 8712. So that is 8712 by 100. Otherwise 87.12 meters square. This is a total surface area of a petrol storage tank, that is 87.12 meters square. In that second bit is given for manufacturing this cylinder. So 1 by 12th part of steel was wasted. So for this, what we will do? We don't know the total steel. So for by manufacturing, so there is a one rectangle is there, one circle and another circle. If you close this, it becomes a cylinder like this. So while doing like this, some part is wasted. This part, how much waste? This one, 1 by 12th part. So out of 12 parts, one part is wasted. So how much we use to manufacture this petrol tank? That is 11 by 12. Out of 12 parts, one part is wasted. So what we will do? We don't know the total area of this sheet. Let total area of steel sheet be x meters square. In that we are using only 11 parts. So 11 by 2 into total x equals to what we use, that becomes a cylinder, curved surface and top and bottom. The area is equals to 87.12 meters square. 87.12 meters square. We require total sheet. We need the area of this total sheet, including wastage and cylinder. So that we can do x equals to, so 8712 by 100. I want to remove this one. You will get it by 100 into 11 by 12 becomes 12 by 1. So I want to cancel with the 11 table. 11 ones are. So we can do 11 7 the 70, 7 10 101. So 11 9 the 101, 9 minus 99, 2 22, 792 into 12 by 100. So we have to multiply 792 into 12. So that is 792 into 12. 4, 18, 1, 14, 15. So with one table, 2, 9, 7, 4, 10, 1. What will happen is 5, 15, 9. So 9504 by 100. It becomes 95.04 meters square. So out of this complete sheet, area of this complete sheet is a 95.04 meters square. In that 87.12 is converted as cylinder. So remaining part, this 1 by 12th part wasted. So what is the area of this total sheet? That is a 95.04 meters square. So I want to give the question number 10 for homework. I will write on the board. You can copy. So what is the question number 10? Step 1. One side open cylindrical drum has inner radius of 28 centimeters. One drum is there. So the drum side is open. So inner radius is given. Radius R equals to 28 centimeters. Next, height is 2.1 meters. H equals to 2.1 meters. We can convert it to centimeters. 2.1 into 100 centimeters. That is after 2 decimal 210 centimeters. So we have to find how much water you can store in the drum. How much water you can store in the drum. That is how to find this one. Capacity of the drum, that is volume of the cylinder. For this cylinder is given H equals to 2.1 meters. Radius is given 28 centimeters. One is in terms of centimeters, another one in terms of meters. Convert meters into centimeters, otherwise centimeters into meters. Total, you want to find the capacity, storage of water, nothing but you want to find the volume of the cylinder. V equals to pi R square H. That is pi is 22/7 or 28 square into 210. So that is 22/7 into 28 into 28 into 210. If you cancel this one, we will get the volume of the cylinder, nothing but volume of the drum. So after cancellation, we will get the value in terms of centimeter cube. We can say cc. The problem is given 1 cc equals to 1 liter equals to 1000 cc. So after that we have to convert this centimeter cube into the liters. Then we will get how many liters we can store into the drum. So this is our drum, like this only. So what is given? Height is given and the radius is given. We can find the value. After that we will get the value in terms of centimeter cube, nothing but cc. Now you have to convert into the liters. So 1 cc, I want to give that also. 1 liter equals to 1000 cc. So 1 cc equals to 1/1000 liters. Cc nothing but centimeter cube. So we will get the how much water we can store in the drum we will get. So I give already radius and what about this one? Height is also given. So we have to see the last problem in this second exercise, 11th question. So for the 11th question, we have to say the curved surface area of cylinder is given. 11th question given. CSA of cylinder, that is 760 centimeters square. So next the value is given. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 12,320 centimeter cube. So find its height. We have to find its height. So it's not given radius and height. Instead of that, is given CSA and value of the cylinder. Two are unknown. So no need to find the radius. We have to find height of the cylinder. So this is unknown radius. So it is given CSA and value. First I want to write the formula for CSA. That is the CSA 2 pi RH equals to 1760. So this is the equation number 1. Next equation number 2, value pi r square h equals to 12,320. This is equation number 2. So from this we have to eliminate either radius or height. So we can't eliminate r because r square is there. So if we divide equation number 2 by 1, if we divide equation number 2 by 1, we can get the radius of the cylinder. After that, the value of substitute either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Then we will get the radius and height. So we have this first. I want to divide equation number 2 by 1. So we can do 1 by 2 also, no problem. So divide 2 by 1. Equation number 2 by equation number 1. That is pi r square h by 2 pi rh equals to 12,320 by 1760. So is there any cancellation for this? We can cancel pi and pi. We can cancel h and h. In this r square means r into r. In that one r is cancelled. Here r is cancelled. Total we will get r by 2 equals to. Here we can cancel 0 and 0. 32 by 176. Now radius equals to 1232 by 176 into 2. So 2 table. 2 ones are 2 8s are next 2 8s are. So with 4 table we can cancel as 4 2s are and 4 2s are. Here 4 3s are 12. Next 4 8s are 32. We get a 0. Next r equals to 308 by 22. So we can cancel with again with 2 table or with 11 table also. 11 2s are 22. Next 11 2s are 22. Remain 8. 88. 11 8s are 88. 2 1s are 2 14s. So r equals to 14 centimeters. So we know the radius of the cylinder. Still we have to find is asking height of the cylinder. How to find height of the cylinder? We have two equations. That is first equation 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh is equals to already know 1760. So 2 is a known value. 2 into 22 by 7 into what about radius of the cylinder? 14 into h equals to 1760. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 into 22 44. 44 into 2 88. 88 into h equals to 1760. H equals to 1760 by 88. So we can cancel with the 4 table. 4 twos are 4 twos are. Next 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 0. Next 11 table. 11 twos are 11 fours are 0. 2 ones are 2 0. So h equals to 20 centimeters. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. Today we completed all the problems which are related to the cylinder. In next class we are going to see the problems which are related to the cone.